Today's our topic is image reference, and we will see that how we can use image references and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we have to click this and small pop-up will open and we have to click upload a file and we have to just choose the picture that we want to use as our image reference and we will choose this one. After choosing this, open, and now just click or hit enter and your picture will be uploaded here. Here is your picture. Just click it, right click on it. Copy image address and copy link both are same. So come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. So now we have to just paste our link of this picture here. So with the help of control V, I will paste my link, comma, space. Now I will write prompt. So here is our prompt. You can see and read. The lighting should be moody and atmospheric with neon lights casting a colorful glow on the surrounding buildings and streets. The overall mood of the image should be dark and gritty, with a sense of danger and adventure lurking around every corner. Close view, beautiful face expression, 8K. So we have to just hit and click and we will see that what will be the result. So here are four pictures that MidJourney has given us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. So U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. Same as if you want to make four variations of each picture, so you have to click V1, V2, V3 and V4. This is reroll button. If you will click on reroll, then MidJourney will provide four more pictures. So let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of this picture. So here is our four pictures and we have to decide either we want to upscale or want four more variations. So first of all we need four variations and we will come here. We want this picture four variations, so we come here, click on V2. So after clicking on it, MidJourney will provide us these four variations of this picture. So let me open it. Here is picture 1, 2, 3, 4. These are four variations. And now if you want to upscale any of these picture, so you have to come and now you have to click on U1, U2, U3 and U4. We want U2, picture number 2. So U2, we will click on U2 and this will be the final result. If you want make more variations, you have to click on make variations. But if it is okay for you, then just click on it and you can see here the full quality picture. I wish this video will help you and you can edit your pictures in MidJourney. If you have any type of queries, you can comment